Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're tuning in today, my friends. Today we're going to work on equivalent fractions, and you guys did amazing with equivalent fractions. So today's assignment is going to be a lickety split quick for you. I'm going to show you a couple equivalent fractions just to kind of refresh you a little bit in case you've forgotten a little bit, because sometimes we all forget, and that's okay too. All right. So equivalent fractions, if you remember back, remember I said they're like brothers and sisters. They've got to be equal. Like if I give my oldest son Xavier $5, I have to give my son Parker $5. Okay. They want to equal. Or if you have a chocolate bar and you take that Hershey's chocolate bar, I remember when we ate that in class, and I was to give one of you guys 5 and someone else like 12 squares, I think people would not be happy. Okay. So equivalent fractions are a lot like that. We're going to do a few on the board. I'm going to post a few on Seesaw. And then when you're done, you're going to go over and grab that green light again. Okay. So let's just do a few of these real quick. I'm going to shift my computer. Whoop. There we are. All right. 6/12. 6/12. We want to get an equivalent fraction. We can do anything to the top or anything to the bottom, but whatever we do to the top or the bottom, we do equally, okay? So I'm just going to take it times, let's take it times 3. But remember, whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. 6 times 3, 18. 12 times 3, 36. That's equivalent. Now, I could also divide, if you remember back. I could divide. I'm going to try and divide this one out. I'm going to divide by 5, okay? So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Remember, as long as you're doing the same thing to the top and the bottom, it does not matter. Then it is equivalent. Let's look over here. 50 over 100. What do I want to do to it? I think I'll divide by 10, which means I just have to get rid of 1 and 0 of each, right? Because we remember that little trick. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Also, remember, you can always check your division because you can go do the opposite back. So 5 times 10 is 50. 10 times 10 is 100. So we know those are equivalent, okay? I'm going to take this one just for fun times 5 because we've done some division now. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 5 is 30. All right. So you're going to do, I'm going to probably give you about 6 problems for equivalent fractions. They'll be on Seesaw. Just go in, fill those out. Remember, if you need some scratch paper, that's okay too. Once you are done with that, I would like you to head on over and have that green light for me today, because green lights can also help with equivalent fractions because it's multiplication, okay? So you're ready to go. I hope you're having a good day. Miss you, love you. And as you noticed, I have my hat back on. We'll see what I can get tomorrow. Bye-bye.